All right, so today we're going to finish up a banner to go along with this theme. This is an astronaut theme. We did a cake topper, and we did a bunch of cupcake toppers. So we have that. We have this, this, this. So a bunch of different cute little items. So we just need to add a banner. So I have already pre-cut all of my items that I need. I ran these through the embosser to kind of give them an extra kind of special look. And all I'm gonna do is just put my banners together, my banner pieces, and then I'm gonna put all the letters together because it's gonna be 4 layers for the letters. All right. My glue of choice is this Barely Art Precision Craft Glue. I like this glue because it dries pretty quickly and it doesn't leave any kind of like wrinkles in your paper. So I like that. The only thing I don't like about this glue is how easy the nozzle gets clogged even when you use the stopper. I used to have a smaller fine tip nozzle that I can't use anymore because it's clogged. This pennant shape I got off of Design Space. If you're a Design Space member, you can get that for free. I pay annually for my membership, so for me, it pays for itself. You don't have to do that though. You can use a free shape. They offer this shape almost in a free version, but this one came with the offset and it already came with the marked spots for the ribbon to go through. So that's one of the reasons why I like it. Now, some people like to use hot glue when they're doing paper products, and I do. I will use hot glue, but not on big items like this because I feel like the glue dries too quickly and it's already dried before I can place my item, and I don't want to have to redo any of the cutting for this project because I've already cut everything, and my goal is always to just cut things out once. I don't want to have to cut again if I can help myself, you know. So we got a bunch of these, so I'm going to speed through and put all these together. And just that simple star shape in the back, I think just makes a huge difference. Adds a little bit of dimension and design without overwhelming the look. I like to keep things a little simpler when it comes to my design. I mean, I want it to have some razzle dazzle, but I just don't, and I don't know, maybe it's just, you know, a preference, if it's my level of crafting. I don't want to do too much. Because I don't know. I don't know. There's too much going on. So this actually takes some time to do. So next time you're buying something from a crafter and you're wondering why they charge that, well, you know, you got to design it. That takes some time. For me, that takes a bulk of the time, right? Trying to figure out what I want. Cutting it takes a good amount of time, and then assembling. This is my favorite part of the whole process, because I like to do things. I am a crafter because I like to craft. I'm not a crafter because I want to create content or, you know, I struggle with the content aspect. I know you have to make content if you want people to see what you can do, but at the end of the day, like, what makes me happy is making something, and if I can show you how to make it, that's even better. I love selling things now, but my ultimate goal would just be to teach, show you how to make something so easy. And truly, I mean, you can elevate any party, any occasion, any theme with just a few ideas and some good materials. My favorite material to work with is paper, but it wasn't always that. I used to make a lot of t-shirts, which I still do. I'll still make t-shirts when people ask. I used to make tumblers, and those things are fun, and I'm okay with working with vinyl, but paper is really, I think, my favorite, just because there's so many possibilities and so many ways to create a unique look. You know, this is a birthday party, right? So you could easily have gone to Amazon and bought a cake topper and a banner. You could have gone to the Dollar Tree, got a banner, but you know what? You're gonna get what you pay for, and it's gonna look like where you got it from, right? When this is done, this is gonna look like it's a custom banner made by someone who loves to do this. You buy it from the Dollar Tree, and that's what it's gonna look like. Like you got the banner from the Dollar Tree. And why not take a moment and a little bit of money, right? And elevate your party to just take it to the next level, right? You guys know the last time you went to a really cool party and they had really cool decorations because you remembered them, right? When's the last time you remembered those Dollar Tree decorations that somebody had? You don't. Unless they went to the Dollar Tree and got some stuff and like made something really cool. You might remember that because you're probably thinking, man, I want to do that too. And there's tons of people that do that, that go to the Dollar Tree and will buy items and make the coolest crafts. One of my favorite crafters, Crafty Mommy Bees, she does that. She goes and buys stuff from the Dollar Tree. She makes really cool gift baskets and just decorations and things that you just wouldn't normally think about. You know, I probably could have used like double-sided tape or something for this too. I just don't know if I trust it, to be honest with you. I probably should make it and do a tester and hang it up and see if it falls apart. I know this glue works, and I know this glue will keep the item together. All right. Part 1 done. All right. So now that we have all of these. We're just gonna move to the side. And now we have to put together the letters. So I like to put my letters into piles so that I can work with them that way. So we're doing 4 layers of letters, and then I have some rocket ships that I need to organize and put together. So it's gonna go, let me show you. Let me back up a little bit. Guys, this is the final look up close and personal of this party package. This included a banner, cupcake toppers, and a cake topper, and I am thrilled with the way that this turned out. If you have any questions or want to know how you can do this too, just drop them in the comments below.